Have you noticed that running a commercial kitchen today feels harder than ever? Even when your recipes are perfect and your team is experienced. The real challenge isn't just cooking food anymore. It's preserving quality, staying compliant, and controlling costs, all at the same time. And behind most of these struggles is one critical factor many kitchens underestimate: ventilation. Food businesses today are under immense pressure to comply with constantly evolving food safety and hygiene regulations. Temperature control, humidity management, odor removal, and airborne contamination are no longer good practices, they're mandatory. Even a small deviation can lead to spoilage, contamination risks, or failed audits. What's challenging is that traditional kitchen setups were never designed for today's compliance standards. Without proper ventilation, heat and moisture build up quickly, damaging perishable ingredients and shortening shelf life before food even reaches the plate. At the same time, energy costs are rising sharply. Kitchens need powerful ventilation systems to remove heat, grease, smoke, and odors, but running these systems continuously can drive electricity bills through the roof. Many food businesses are stuck in a difficult balance: reduce ventilation to save energy, and risk food quality, or increase ventilation and absorb higher operating costs. Poorly designed ventilation makes HVAC systems work harder, increases cooling load, and silently eats away at profits. The problem becomes even more complex when kitchens try to upgrade. Integrating advanced ventilation solutions into an existing kitchen infrastructure is rarely simple. Space constraints, outdated duct layouts, limited ceiling heights, and ongoing operations make retrofitting a serious challenge. Yet without modern airflow design, proper exhaust, makeup air balance, and heat removal, even the best refrigeration and storage systems can't perform effectively. A kitchen can have top-tier equipment and still struggle with spoilage, discomfort, and compliance failures if airflow isn't engineered correctly. The kitchens that succeed today are the ones that treat ventilation as a strategic system, not just an exhaust fan. Smart airflow design protects ingredients, stabilizes temperature and humidity, reduces energy waste, and creates safer, more efficient food preparation environments. When ventilation works the way it should, food stays fresh longer, staff work more comfortably, and compliance becomes easier instead of stressful. If you're running or designing a commercial kitchen and facing these challenges, this is the direction the industry is moving toward: intelligent, energy-aware ventilation that protects both food quality and business profitability. If this insight helped you see kitchen ventilation differently, follow the channel for more real-world food facility and HVAC insights. Drop your questions in the comments, and let's build smarter kitchens together.